In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple URLs at once from Google Sheets on desktop. If you work with research lists, outreach targets, or any set of web pages you need to review quickly, this simple technique will save you a lot of clicking and time. First, make sure all of your URLs are listed in a single column in your Google Sheet. Keeping them in one column helps Google Sheets recognize the selection as a group of links. Place one URL per cell and include the full web address with HTTP or HTTPS, so each entry becomes a clickable link automatically. If a URL isn't turning blue, it usually means the protocol is missing or the text has extra spaces. Tidy that up so Sheets knows it's a link. Next, select the cells that contain the URLs you want to open. Click the first cell, then drag down to the last, or click the first and hold Shift while clicking the last to select the whole block at once. Try to select only the cells that actually contain links to keep things clean and predictable. Now, right-click anywhere within your selection to open the context menu. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click. On a Mac, without a physical right-click, you can hold Control and click. You should see a menu tailored to your selection. Look for the option labeled Open Links and click it. This option appears when Google Sheets detects that your selection includes recognized hyperlinks. If you don't see it, double-check that your cells really contain full URLs and that you're right-clicking the selection itself rather than an empty area. Once you click Open Links, all of the selected URLs will open in new tabs in your default browser. If your browser blocks pop-ups, you may get a small notification asking to allow pop-ups from Google Sheets. Grant permission, then try again, and the tabs should open as expected. Be mindful that opening a large number of links at once can slow down your computer or flood your tab bar, so consider opening in manageable batches. That's all there is to it. List your URLs neatly in one column, select the cells you need, right-click the selection, choose Open Links, and let Google Sheets do the heavy lifting. It's a fast, reliable way to move from a list to live web pages without repetitive clicking, perfect for audits, comparisons, or any workflow where speed matters. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster browsing routine.